Can you solve this math problem? Let's find out. Emily is making a fruit punch for her party. She mixes 3/8 of a liter of orange juice with 5/12 of a liter of pineapple juice. What is the total amount of fruit punch in liters that Emily has prepared? So in order for us to figure out the total amount of fruit punch that Emily has prepared, we're going to add the quantity of our orange juice and the quantity of our pineapple juice together. We had 3/8 of a liter of orange juice, and we had 5/12 of a liter of pineapple juice. So as we can see, we have two fractions here that represent our quantity of orange juice and quantity of pineapple juice, but they have different denominators, so we can't actually add them together yet. In order for us to add these two fractions, we need to rewrite these fractions with a common denominator. And a common multiple of both 8 and 12 is 24, so down below, we're going to rewrite these fractions with a common denominator of 24 so we can add these two fractions together. For the numerators, we need to make sure that we keep these fractions equivalent, meaning that we need to multiply our numerator up top by the same value that we had to multiply our denominator by in order to get the common denominator of 24. Well, for the first fraction, we had to multiply our denominator of 8 by 3 in order to get the denominator of 24, so we're going to do the same thing to our numerator up top. And when we multiply 3 times 3, we get 9. Then for the second fraction, we had to multiply our denominator of 12 by 2 in order to get the denominator of 24, so we're going to do the same thing to our numerator up top. And when we multiply 5 times 2, we get 10. And now we're ready to actually add these fractions together. For the denominator, it's not going to change in the answer. We're still going to be in 24ths, but we are going to add our numerators together. And when we add 9 plus 10, we get 19 for the fraction of 19 24ths. Now we're going to see if we can simplify this fraction. And since there's no common factor between both 19 and 24 other than 1, this fraction is already written in its lowest possible form, meaning that Emily made a total amount of 19 24ths of a liter of fruit punch when she mixed the orange juice and pineapple juice together. If you enjoyed this video, then please smash those like and subscribe buttons. As always, enjoy today's math journey.